Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by making the controller discoverable and ensuring the console is ready. Hold Share and PS simultaneously for about 3-5 seconds until the light bar flashes. That flashing means pairing mode is active. Once done, make sure your PS4 Bluetooth screen is open so the device can appear immediately. If you prefer wired first, connect with a USB cable to finish firmware negotiation, then remove cable to test wireless. This step sets the stage for the actual connection. You now complete the link by choosing the controller on the PS4 Bluetooth list. Once you tap or select wireless controller, the PS4 will negotiate the connection. You'll see the light bar change from flashing to a steady glow when paired. Make sure to press confirm if the system asks and wait patiently for any driver handshake to finish. If the controller disappears or won't finalize, reconnect via USB. That forces the system to complete the pairing and sets wireless as the default afterward. You finish by assigning the controller to a user profile and running a quick input test in settings to ensure buttons and sticks respond correctly. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the controller with a small pin in the back reset hole for 5 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears stuck Bluetooth states. Make sure to reboot the PS4 or remove old devices from the Bluetooth list if problems persist, because stale entries often block new connections, and a restart forces a clean scan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.